First, you need to heat your calderos. Put the chicken pot odidos. This is how to cook the Filipino chicken pot. Chicken pot Filipino food. Kakang imong kaldero ni hubas na. Put the coconut oil.
Ikuan na ba?
Ako mangitig video. Put ano sa tawag na ba? English na house. Ginger. Ginger. Ano sa pangalan na? House.
Ambot.
Ay, garlic ginger. The English na to, the onions is born. We need to English because my subscriber is English. Filipino dish. Chicken pot. Ay, galing na. So delicioso. Delicioso chicken pot. Wait 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And the dish is ready to serve. Put some ingredients like this. Magic power. Put sa English na.
Puro na iyan mo. Iposa na yung mga video.
What's that?
It's
A powder garlic. No. A garlic pepper. Pepper.
pas assembly yo.
Shake it out. The chicken pot is sa tawag sa luto na. Cook na. Already cooked. The chicken pot is so delicious. Nice one. Good job, boy.